Hey, good morning. So, I don't want to wake up my daughter. So, today is October 30th, and I just wanted to show you the stats because I started this Think Your Way to a Million YouTube page only 4 days ago. So, we're now up to 9,768 impressions. And this right here, move myself out of the way. Actually, I'm going to show you my calendar too. So you can see October 2024 is this Saturday that I started it. So it's been less than a week. All right. So this here is brand new content. That's brand new. That's brand new. So one interesting thing is that I can see that it doesn't have a lot of views, but it's got some good impressions. So what's today gonna be? It's gonna be another day for content. So good morning. To be continued. So, and let me go over here. And let's go to bookbinder. Alright. So, there you go. This is so much fun. So much fun.